Hey guys, it's RickyAnalog here, stocktraders.net. I've been out, just got home. The market's closed. I had I had trades on for both CREG and BSPM, and I had limit orders in for my targets, and I had stops in for my stops. And just got home, wanted to do a quick trade recap on how these played out, what I was looking at, and how reviewing yesterday's mistakes actually helped keep me focused and in the zone for how I needed to trade these today. So not much has changed in the market. We still are having these low float runners that are going on no news, trash fundamentals. That's not really what matters. It just matters that the float's low and that the volume comes in. But the cool thing about these is that when they top out, they're not even bouncing because everybody's off and moving on to the next one. And nobody's dumb enough right now to try to hold these. So I went over CREG pre-market in Stock Talk. If you guys didn't check that out, you can. It's in the YouTube channel. Gave the fundamentals underlying it, what I'd be looking for. And like you can just tell by the daily chart here that we had a big gap up after a pretty big run up yesterday too. So like I was very, very sure that I was going to get a trade on this today, and I wasn't going to allow myself to miss it. I just needed to make sure that I wasn't early and that I took the trade with the correct risk and let it play out and let it do its thing. And so let's pull up the charts. So here is the trade that I put on, and see if you guys can see I did not enter this trade until the second 5-minute candle, and I know a lot of people probably took this thing when it was pushing up here, looked like it was going to 4 right off the bat early, but it stuffed. And when we got down under 311ish, that was when to me it was valid, but I still wanted to see it get under 3, and I also wanted to wait for at least the second 5-minute candle. And as you can see, I took it there at 298. I covered half at 280 and the rest of it at, what was that, 243 it looks like. So it was a nice easy win. It never really gave me any worries at all, and I did have a lot of room to add. I didn't have a whole lot of size on it, but the trade played out exactly how we wanted it to. And you can see here was the previous day and the big run up, and so those were kind of the levels we were playing against, which is, you see this consolidation here. That was why I took half off at the 280, and was hoping for a bounce to add some size on it. But very happy with this trade and how it played out. Obviously, hindsight's 2020, and no clue that this was gonna keep on fading the way it did. But I'm happy to take the meat of that move. So let's go back to the charts and let's pull up BSPM, and you can see here. It was another one of those ones where it had huge range on the day. At its highs, it was over 8 times. It was almost 9 times its ATR. Pushed right up into some daily resistance. And I guess, let's see, pull up the charts on this one. Sorry, I try to work all the studio stuff and the and talk and think at the same time. Here's the trade I put on with BSPM, and you can see did not take this until 244, or not 244, 344. I added on the break here at 321. I added again at 308, and then I had orders in the cover down here at, I got some at 286, 278 it looks like. Could have sworn I had that order lower, but whatever. 278, I'll take it. And I think I had some more at 262, which obviously didn't fill, but I am swinging some, not a lot. Locked in the profits, super easy trade. Like I said, I'm not sitting here staring at level 2 all day. I have my targets, and I have very, very good reasons why the price should go there once these setups meet the parameters. And so those are the trades today. And I wanted to point out how yesterday the trade recap was on CLWT, and there was plenty of just FOMO mistakes on my part. And part of journaling trades and going over your trades is so that you can see your mistakes, make sure you make notes of them and correct them so that you don't keep seeing the same mistakes. And yesterday, going over CLWT helped immensely with both of these trades today, because both these trades you can see had plenty of front side, but you can also see that I didn't enter a single one of these trades until we were for sure on the backside. So that was kind of the purpose of doing the CLWT trade recap yesterday. I'm really happy that I did because it helped me. I'm just hoping that it also helps some of you guys as well. And if you guys like these trade recaps, I'll keep on doing them. I get a lot out of them just because I'm going over my trades anyway. If you guys don't already, you should journal all your trades. I use EdgeWonk. It's not an affiliate type thing or anything. I use them. I like them. I would not promote them if I didn't think it was a valuable thing. I know a lot of their people use TraderView, and some people even create their own Excel sheets. However you want to do it, but you got to do it. So that's everything for me today. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday morning. StockTraders.net. We'll be doing the 9:05 Stock Talk with me and Goose. Goose should be back by Monday. Can't wait. So everybody enjoy your weekend. Spend time with your family. Live it up with Blessed. Thanks for helping me crush it all week. Peace.